Praise be to the Holy Trinity, even though they do all give me the heebie-jeebies.
Greetings. As Mother Superior, I, Ma Barker, would like to welcome you to our humble convent, Our Lady in Perpetual Hiding.
Following the teachings of our patron saint, Saint Bonnie of Clyde, was once quoted as saying, "If I hide out in this here church, them stupid pigs can never pinch me." Our sisterhood upholds the sacred Catholic tradition of sanctuary.
Meaning, if I hide out in this here church, them stupid pigs can never pinch me.
Well, we have all taken vows of silence.
At least where the cops and feds are concerned, so you can all turn off your mobile phones, especially you. We don't want the feds tracing the calls. Anyone's phone rings, it'll be 20 Hail Marys, and you'll have to donate half your cut from the next job to charity.
Our story today will be told using the medium of pantomime.
That's right, Sister Mary Tyler Moore. I wanted to do a large pantomime, but we didn't have the budget, so medium it is.
Your participation is permitted and encouraged, especially yours.
For example, if someone's being all,
"Watch out the horn!"
Oh, you rotten snitches!
yeah, we're ladies of God! Sisters, show them your cross.
Ma Barker, a letter arrived for you.
Oh, it's from Urgent.
It's also marked confidential, but I had a look inside and I couldn't see why.
It's from Giorgio Trepelli. Let's see what he's got to say.
Dear Ma Barker, I hope this letter finds you well, and the cops don't find you at all.
That's bull.
I trust the recent downfall of the Zucchini brothers has reached your hallowed ears. Though their operation was small, their demise is still concerning for us all. However, I find myself concerned about the state of my own household. Alfredo is growing up to be such a big boy, and little Carbonara is this spitting image of a mother who, as you remember, is tragically dead. God rest her soul. Now, the children are loving, but they are insolent, ruthless, vain, greedy. Yes, but they use none of these traits to the advantage of the family.
To their benefit, I think I had late bloomers to that list.
Only the other day, I stumbled across Prosciutto standing in front of a mirror, brandishing his piece.
You want some of this? I don't see anyone else in this room, so you must want some of this! Yeah! Jesus! What are you doing here?
Ceremony, the lack of firearm control, the lack of respect for his tool!
I'll make that weapon.
As I write to you, we are losing the latest in a long series of madness, and this one was special, flown in from America. My children have proven quite resistant.
Children! Children! Can we just be friends? Please! Mr. Trepelli! Help me!
Look, Ma, please send one of your most confident sisters. Someone to teach the children respect, family, firearm control, lest the great Trepelli syndicate fall to ruin. Please, in the name of our old alliance, fix my family. Yours sincerely, Don Giorgio Trepelli.
One question. Do I sign this or do you?
Well, sisters, it looks like Trepelli's got some problems, and we can't afford to let a major family bite the dust. The balance of power is tenuous enough as it is. But who to send?
Send me, Ma. Maria Vendetta!
She really gives us creeps the creeps.
She keeps on cleaning her guns in chapel. And she's always jumping out of the shadows, waving a knife, yelling, "Die, you dirty rats!"
That's not a knife.
And yes, it is. But worst of all, she hums the Pink Panther theme during church. That song really freaks me out.
Hunt says that whole thing of what happened to her family. You make some good points. That girl just ain't been right ever since. The entire Vendetta family, one of the most powerful mob families in the country, massacred in a single night. Oh, the poor little Maria Vendetta. I ought to feel sorry for her, but I'm with you guys. She scares the freaking bejeebus out of me.
So do I have the job, Ma?
Well, I suppose you're the best kid for the job, kid. You got a working with children check?
Yes, of course.
And a police clearance? I'm just kidding.
Very well. I will pack my things at once. Ta-da.
Now knock that off. Just because we're letting you stay here since your last heist went bad doesn't mean we want to hear you all the time. These mooks call themselves the Treble Makers. I know. No invention at all. And they use that band as a cover to pull heists. Except their last job went wrong. What do you expect? So we're letting them stay here till the heat dies down. Hey, you guys! You can go with Maria as backup. They were getting on my last nerve. Well, sisters, we gotta write this reply to Don Trepelli. We'll make the words using little letters from magazines.
Listen, Ma, I've been meaning to speak to you about this here dress.
I told you before, Sister Mary, quite contrary, we gotta wear this getup. Part of the disguise. So just forget about it.
Well, I quite enjoy the readings of my private business.